A GPU, graphics processing unit, is a specialized processor designed to accelerate graphics rendering and the parallel processing of large volumes of data. Unlike the CPU, the overall brain of the computer, which excels at handling complex tasks sequentially, the GPU focuses on performing thousands of simple tasks simultaneously. How a GPU is composed. To understand the composition, we can look at both the internal architecture of the chip and the physical board we use in the computer. 1. Internal architecture, the heart of the GPU. The GPU chip is made up of thousands of small cores, organized for massive mathematical calculations to be performed simultaneously. Cores. These are the processing units. In NVIDIA, they are called CUDA cores. In AMD, they are stream processors. While a CPU has 8 or 16 powerful cores, a GPU can have 5,000 or more smaller cores. Arithmetic logic units, ALUs, where the mathematical calculations actually happen. Registers and cache memory, small, ultra-fast memory units within the chip to store data that is being processed at that exact moment. 2i video card composition, VRAM, video memory. This is the dedicated memory of the graphics card, e.g. GDDR6. It stores textures, 3D models, and frame buffers so that the chip does not need to request data from the system's RAM, which is slower. VRM, voltage regulator module. Circuits that convert power from the power supply to the precise and stable voltages required by the chip. Cooling system, composed of heat sinks, copper pipes, heat pipes, and fans to prevent the chip from melting under load. PCB, printed circuit board. The base board where all components are soldered and which connects the GPU to the motherboard via a PCIe slot. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. Leave your comments, suggestions, and questions below.